Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install Mageia GNOME on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest versions. So this is my updated version of VirtualBox 7.0 as of now. Okay, first step is I am going to create one Mageia GNOME virtual machine. So this is my name of my virtual machine. Next, I am providing the destination folder where virtual machine is getting stored. Next, I am providing the Mageia GNOME DVD ISO file which I already downloaded from Mageia website. So next, I am allocating 8 GB RAM and 4 CPU cores. 40 GB dynamically allocated virtual hard drive. Finish it. So once again go to settings and check floppy. Optical drive will be the first device in boot order. So network, we need internet connection. So NAT will be the network. So let us start Mageia GNOME virtual machine now to proceed with installation. So this is the boot menu. Select the first option, install Mageia. Okay, so installation screen has arrived. So English will be my language. Accept the license agreement. US keyboard is my keyboard. So select the option use free space. So this will erase everything in the hard disk. Okay, media, I am not having any other media, so I am selecting none. So media selection, core release and non-free release. Next, GNOME desktop I am going to select. So GNOME will be good in performance also. So I am selecting GNOME desktop. So installation is started. So installation is completed. Now provide the root password. Next, provide one login username and provide the password for the login username. Click the next button. Click the next. Plug and play monitor. Click next. Okay, so here are the summary. Okay, time zone once again I am configuring. So time zone I am selected according to my location. So I am using NTP server for time synchronization. So rest of the settings will be as it is. So I am selecting my country. Yes, so this is the finalized settings. So rest of the settings will be as it is. I'm not going to change anything. Next. So it will ask to set up the repository. That is online media. Yes, I need online media. Click next. Mirror choice automatic. So mirror choice will be automatic. Downloader will be default downloader. Click next. So it will search for repository and it will update automatically. So that's it. So I am not installing the update now. So click the no button and click next. So everything is fine. Let us reboot. Let me power off this virtual machine. Okay, go to VirtualBox settings, system, motherboard, uncheck. Sorry, hard disk will be the first device in boot order. Uncheck the optical drive. Next, general, advanced, shared clipboard bidirectional, drag and drop bidirectional, shared folders. I am going to mount the folder. Check auto mount. Okay. So I have successfully logged in for first time, and I adjusted the screen size, screen resolution also. So this is the desktop of Mageia 9 operating system. So it's a GNOME desktop. You can see lots of necessary applications are installed, including LibreOffice. So FTP client like FileZilla, Firefox browser. So all the accessories, basic accessories are installed. So now what I am going to do, I am opening the console, that is terminal, and I am going to run some commands. After that I am going to copy paste the terminal output to Windows source machine notepad to check whether shared clipboard is working or not. Yes, shared clipboard is working fine. Yes, so shared clipboard is working bidirectionally. So now next I am going to check the shared folder. You can see shared folder is mounted already, but I cannot able to access the content. So let me open the terminal once again, log in as a root user. Only root user can access the content of shared folder. So shared folder is mounted under /media. Okay, cd/media, you can see the content. Yes, I can able to view the content of shared folder. So Mageia 9 installation on VirtualBox 7.0 with guest edition is successful. So here guest edition is installed automatically during the installation. So I have not installed guest edition separately. Okay, so all the necessary files are installed directly from CD or download or install from internet. Okay, so manually I did not install anything. Okay, keep in mind. VirtualBox guest edition is installed automatically. So the already updated version of VirtualBox guest edition is available in repository, so it's not a problem.